Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Friends, welcome to our channel Profit in Equities. Now if you like our content, please do give us a thumbs up. Also share, comment and subscribe to our channel so that we reach more people going forward. Now Angel Broking is one of the top brokerage houses from India. Here we present 3 stocks from the banking and NBFC sector that they believe will be wealth creators in the year 2018. Please watch this video to know more. First stock on the list is Dewan Housing Finance Corporation Limited, which is also known as DHFL. Now, Dewan Housing Finance Corporation Limited is a deposit-taking housing finance company, and this company focuses on providing financing products to the lower and middle income segments in India, primarily in the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities and towns. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart, the stock was on a beautiful uptrend for the major part of the year, but recently there has been some sort of a consolidation. The market cap is 19,177.03 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 96.18, which means that the company is available at very cheap price to earnings multiples of 6.36. The industry PE is 27.33, which is much expensive compared to the industry PE. The book value is 254.98, which translates into a price to book ratio of 2.40. The debt to equity is very high at 9.6839, whereas the return on equity is 0.1445. Now the promoter holding here is on the lower side at 39.24. Now one of the important factor, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala holds stake in the company. Now Angel Broking thinks that the loan growth is expected to remain strong going ahead. Also, the strong capital adequacy lends visibility for growth. They also believe that the asset quality has been strong, and this leads to their expecting the company's loan growth to remain close to 23% over the next 2 years, and earnings growth is likely to be more than 28%. The second company on the list is GIC Housing Finance Limited, which is available at 466.30 rupees, and the target price here is 655. Now this is engaged in the housing finance business also, and the company's primary business is granting housing loans to individuals and to persons entities engaged in construction of houses or flats for residential purposes. Now if you were to look at the one-year chart, you would see that initial part of the year it was on an uptrend, but since then there has been a slide. The market cap is 2511.08 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 30.34, which translates into a price to earnings ratio of 15.37, which is still lower than the industry PE of 27.33. The book value is 155.65, which translates into a price to book ratio of 3, which is a bit expensive. The debt to equity is 8.7794, whereas the return on equity is 0.1962. The promoter holding here is on the lower side at 42.16. Now the reasons for the positive outlook from Angel Broking include GIC Housing Finance is constantly decreasing bank borrowing and increasing high yield loan book, which is expected to boost its net margin going forward. Now GICHF's asset quality is on the higher side compared to other housing finance companies as on FY17. Now GNPA of 2 to 3% and NPA of 0.3% bears testimony to this fact. Backed by new management, also, this company is aiming for 2x growth in the loan book over the period FY16 to FY19. Now, this should yield a figure of 16,000 crores. Now, they maintain a buy rating on the stock. Now, the third and final company on the list is Karur Vyasa Bank Limited, which is available currently at 122.80, and the target price here has been mentioned as 161. Now, Karur Vyasa Bank Limited is an India-based banking company engaged in providing banking and financial services, including commercial banking and treasury operations. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart for the company, you would see that the stock has largely been on an uptrend for the major part of the year, but of late there has been a sort of a slide. The market cap is 8923.13 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 7.66, which translates into a price-earnings ratio of 16.03, which is much cheaper compared to the industry PE of 28.83. The book value is 79.97, which translates into a price-to-book ratio of 1.54. The debt to equity is 0.1262, whereas the return on equity is 0.1098. The promoter holding here is very low at 2.07. Now, the reason why Angel Broking thinks that this company could do well going forward are this company's loan growth is expected to pick up from FY18 onwards. Also, the asset quality is likely to stabilize going ahead. Also, NIM is likely to see further improvement. Now, due to all these factors, they have a buy rating on the stock, with a target price of 161. Now friends, this is all what we wanted to show you for today. Please do your own research and have a good day. Enjoy your evening.